The Honorable Court of the Regional Trial Court is now in session, with Chief Justice Proper Gamali. I am Cristel Ramirez and I am here with my co-consul, Mr. John Loriano, Mr. Rolly Lopez Bito, Mr. J.P. Santo Tomas, Mr. Charles Maynasol, Mr. Jetro Gacnan, and Mr. Niel Abihoro. Mr. Loriano and Mr. Lopez Bito will be addressing Scenario 1. Mr. Santo Tomas and Mr. Yasol will be addressing Scenario number 2, while Mr. Abihoro and Mr. Gacnan will be addressing number 3. The Scenario number 1. PinoyMP3.com is a web hosting provider that allows a subscriber to store MP3 files in their server and share it with other users. A local music company sues PinoyMP3.com, but PinoyMP3.com respond by saying that they are not responsible for what their subscribers are storing in their servers. Is PinoyMP3.com is correct?
Yes, it is true that they can pursue or control what their subscriber wants to store and share to others. PinoyMP3.com are only providing services by allowing the subscriber to browse and store. Also, they are only responsible for the acts of their subscriber. They can remove, filter, and analyze their subscribers' stored music for their privacy. They are also responsible in producing their rules and regulations on their server for their followers. But it is not their responsibility or right to pursue the subscriber to visit or browse the local music company.
According to Section 5, definition of terms, for the purposes of this Act, such service providers shall have no authority to modify or alter the content of the electronic documents received or to make any entry in on behalf of the originator, address, or any third party unless specifically authorized to do so, and who shall return the electronic documents in accordance with the specific request as necessary for the purpose of the performing the service it was engaged to perform.
The Scenario number 2. Berto found out that his office mate posted libelous claim against him in the online forum operated by Facebook.com. However, he was not able to establish the identity of the person who posted the claim. Can Berto file a libel case against Facebook.com for allowing the libelous post?
No, it was not Facebook who posted the libelous statement and has no prior knowledge of it. Besides, punishment for a crime is only applicable to natural person and not to Facebook, which is an entity. It is not really possible to sue Facebook because they already has Facebook terms that prohibiting posting, according to Section 30, Part 5 of RA 8792.
The making, publication, dissemination, or distribution of such material or any statement may be such a material including possible infringement of any right, persisting in our relation to such material, provide that the service provider does not have actual knowledge or is not aware of the facts or circumstance from which is apparent to making, publication, or dissemination or distribution of such material is unlawful or infringes in any rights consisting in our relation to such material.
Scenario number 3. Pedro sent a promissory note via a next text message to Juan promising that he will return the money he borrowed, plus 2% interest on Monday. However, Pedro returned the money on the said day without the interest, saying to Juan that their agreement was not valid in court because they did not affix their signature. Is Pedro's reasons valid?
No, because according to Section 6, legal recognition of electronic data message, information shall not be denied. Validity or enforceability solely on the ground that it is in the form of electronic data. Message purporting to give rise to such legal effect or that is merely incorporated by reference in that electronic data message.
The transactions remain valid and enforceable. Also, one can use his text messages as evidence that he promised a 2% interest. On the other hand, if you offered verbally or through text messages, he has ground to bring a suit breach of contract if you fail to live to your promise.